Welcome to Timmy Tokwe Shines Media.
A severe tornado has caused a wave of destruction and devastation in St. Louis, Missouri. 5 people were killed, several more injured, and around $1 billion worth of damage is wreaked by a single tornado that swept through the St. Louis area, traveling 22.6 miles at a maximum speed of 152 miles per hour. Mayor Kara Spencer estimated the damage and said that it will take a long time to recover. According to the National Weather Service, the tornado began just outside St. Louis and moved through the north of the city, particularly in the neighborhoods of Fountain Park, Ville, Greaterville, and O'Fallon. The tornado, which at its fiercest was almost a mile wide, was down to EF0 to EF1 power at the time, and the damage en route continued into Illinois. Spencer stressed, "We're moving our focus to storm prep," during a news briefing. In the metro St. Louis region, especially in the city's north, around 50,000 people were still without electricity. They kept evaluating the damage, sought assistance, and attempted to determine the next steps in their recuperation. According to Spencer, this is going to be a long recovery. We think we've cleared all the roads, and according to her, the focus is not shifting to clearing private property of trees and electricity wires. Spencer added that she was looking for a federal emergency designation and potential FEMA assistance, but she stressed that the process was not quick. According to the Ameren outage map, the number of residents without power was nearly halved when nearly 100,000 buildings were without electricity. 5 people were thought to have died and over 30 injured as a result of the tornadoes. 5,000 buildings are thought to have been damaged. In the most affected areas of the city, a curfew has been in effect from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. At least one of the 3 shelters that had been made available to the locals was already full. At least one of the 3 shelters that had been made available to the locals was already full. Donations were being sought by several aid organizations.
Jerica, answer your phone. This used to be our living room. Okay. And then this used to be our dining room. Got my baby little rocker right there. This was the dining room. This is the hallway. This is the other family room. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is our kitchen. The kitchen didn't get hit as bad, for real. Downstairs really didn't get hit bad at all. This is our bar room, our bar area. Yes. Now I'm gonna take y'all upstairs. Look at all this stuff right here. We're packing up. We're picking through. Getting everything together. Got my baby tub right here. I'm gonna go upstairs. Literally. This is crazy. This is my fucking reality. You can literally see. That's my dad packing up his stuff. It's all my mama them stuff. This is my mama them room. This is my mama room that she did her little stuff in. Then it's my mama room. They room did not get hit bad at all. I started off in this room when it first went on. My mama had her Bible right here. Y'all, this room didn't do nothing. Like, honestly, I really could have stayed in this room if I wanted to. Like, for real, I really could have. Like, only that had happened. And then this, like, everything is still in place. Like, that's crazy. So I'm gonna show y'all my room. This is our hallway. That's my bed. And again, another, you can see outside. This is our going downstairs, the door to go downstairs to the basement. There's my closet. This is my room. That's my bed. That's my baby crib. And right behind that, like right behind this, it was another room. And it's straight not there no more. It fell off. This straight it. And this is the hallway. Oh, fuck. This is my sister's room.
You said what?
She's packing up her stuff. This is my brother's room. His room not bad either. Well, it is bad. It is bad, but yeah. Now, one last thing I'm gonna show. I forgot to say too, you can literally see into the neighbor's house. Literally. Pray for St. Louis, and that's the bathroom right there. I'm gonna show y'all. This, my sister literally took shelter in her. Then when she came here, this was already gone. She literally sat right here and prayed while it was going on, y'all. This is literally it. This is what we're dealing with. This is our reality, guys. It's kind of sad looking at it now. But yeah. That's it.
Man.
Anyways, what are your thoughts on the story? You can go ahead and comment below. Please like this video, share this video, also subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in another video.